Si Justice Leonel boldly entered the Supreme Court. He was part of the negotiator sa MILF.
The MILF gave me the Delaware for the spirit.
Taas ang kanang kamay at sumunod ko sa akin ay
I,
Speaker,
Francis Tico Pangilinan,
having been elected
having been elected
position of
the position of Senator
the Republic of the
of the Republic of the Philippines,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully discharge
that I will faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my abilities
the duties of my present position
the duties of my present position
and of all others
and of all others
I may hereafter hold
I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines.
under the Republic of the Philippines,
That I will support
and defend
and defend
the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will bear
that I will bear
faith and allegiance
true faith and allegiance to the same,
I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
decrees
and decrees
promulgated
promulgated
by the
by the
duly constituted
duly constituted authorities
Republic,
of the Republic of the Philippines,
that I impose upon myself
and that I impose upon myself
this voluntary obligation
these voluntary obligations
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
purpose of
or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
congratulations.
Thank you, Justice. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
June 30. What he was sworn in.
Congrats, Senator.
Thank you.